Today, we're diving into TikTok Shop, what it is, how it works, and if regular people can actually make money with it, even if you're starting with zero. Hey, I'm Angie, and if you're new here, I share how to make money with theme pages, e-commerce, and multiple income streams online. I have been self-employed and earning a full-time income online since 2010, and I started e-commerce and print on demand in 2018. Right now, TikTok Shop is the platform. It's all of the rage, and I want to make sure that you are up to speed and ahead of the curve. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any new content to help you level up your online income. And let's get straight into it. So let's get into a TikTok Shop and why right now, 2026, 2027 may be the biggest opportunity since 2019 and 2020. So TikTok right now has hundreds of millions of active shoppers and not enough sellers. And TikTok is heavily recruiting sellers right now. And the ads on the platform are an absolute gold mine, which we're going to get into in just a moment. And brands are pouring tons of money into TikTok Shop right now, and just so you know, the platform is still early. Now, I want you to think of this like 2018, when very few people believed that Etsy stores would become a serious business. But by 2021, people wish they had started earlier because it was really truly creating millionaires. Etsy was the platform. Print on demand on the platform was going absolutely crazy. And I believe TikTok Shop is in that same window where sellers are finally realizing how easy the platform is right now. And the rush has started for people to jump into TikTok Shop. But just know windows like this do not stay open forever. And right now in 2026, the last I checked, there were only 7,000 print on demand sellers on TikTok Shop, which is hardly anything. And it is estimated through 2027 that there are going to be about 500,000 or more print on demand sellers on the platform. And the biggest money always is usually made by the early adopters before there's tons of competition. So why is TikTok Shop different than any other platform online? Typically, a customer will see an ad, let's say on Facebook or somewhere, and then they will have to click that ad off of that platform to a website, add it to the cart, and then maybe buy. TikTok Shop is where a customer is engaged in watching videos on that platform. They can click the product right from the video and check out. They never have to actually leave TikTok, so there's very little friction, and it aids in impulse buying. So here is how TikTok Shop works. There's you, and then you have Printify, who drop ships our designs, and you can literally start with $0 for inventory up front. A lot of people think that in order to sell on TikTok Shop, you have to have tons and tons of inventory, but not when you're doing print on demand. So you're able to connect Printify to TikTok Shop, and anytime a sale is generated, Printify is going to print, pack, and ship the order directly to your customer very quickly. And another great thing about TikTok Shop is that you can get other creators to become affiliates for you and do most of the work. So you could send a free t-shirt out to someone making videos. They can wear your t-shirt in the video and link directly to your product in their video. And then people who are watching can immediately check out with that product right there on TikTok. So there's you, there's Printify, TikTok Shop, the creator/affiliate, and then the customer in that flow. So you don't actually have to become an influencer in order to make sales on TikTok. You can get other creators to feature your products in their videos, and you don't even need followers to actually make sales on the platform. Of course, if you want to create content and generate followers and go viral yourself and demo your own products, you can. But the goal is to have affiliates doing more of that for you. So just remember, there are three main parts of TikTok Shop. You as the seller with the products from Printify, the affiliate who is going to create the videos and promote your products, and they get paid on a commission basis when they make a sale from their videos. Then there is the customer who who's buying directly inside of TikTok, right? That is it. That's the whole business model right there. So print on demand sellers have a huge advantage. If you have been watching my videos for a while, let's say you already have an Etsy store, you already have designs, you already have products loaded in Printify, you have Printify to fulfill your orders, which equals unlimited scalability, and maybe you've already made some sales and have proof of concept, then all you have to do is publish those same products over to TikTok Shop to have a whole new avenue and ability to expand your store. So you're not actually starting from zero. You're simply adding another storefront and getting traffic from TikTok creators. Now, if you haven't started print on demand yet, that's okay too. You can still jump in the game here and take advantage of this point in time. And here is one thing that print on demand sellers should know is that TikTok does have a 30-day return policy. So you will need to set a return address to your home or a PO box. Now I have a PO box, but you can also just use your home address if you're comfortable with that. And then when you do get a return, you can use that return for giveaways, for contests, for creating content yourself, or sending it out to affiliates in order to demo your product in their videos, or you could just resell it on another platform like eBay. It's also really important to note that TikTok has really strict shipping timeframes, and Printify has an entire section in their catalog dedicated to TikTok Shop. So you want to make sure that you're only listing products from that section of the catalog so that they ship on time. And I recommend doing t-shirts with Monster Digital as the vendor from Printify. So that particular company will print, pack, and ship your orders, and they have an excellent track record for shipping on time. I've been using them since 2018. So if you're not set up with Printify yet, I am going to leave my link directly below this video so you can get signed up for free. And once you're inside, you can see under their catalog, there is a section for TikTok, and in there is where you're going to find everything that you can customize and publish over to your TikTok. And then they'll show you the top selling fast shipping items that are perfect for TikTok. And this is one of the most popular items being sold on TikTok Shop. It is the Gildan 5000 t-shirt, and it starts as low as $7.26 with Printify Premium. So as I mentioned, Printify is free to use, but if you upgrade to Printify Premium, then you can actually have a discount on all of the items that you're selling, which in turn is going to increase the profits that you make every time you sell an order. Now over on Etsy right now, I currently sell the Comfort Colors 1717, but as you can see, the price difference is quite a lot. It's over $3 more. So on TikTok Shop, if you kind of want to be competitive and make a little bit of more money, then you could go with the Gildan 5000. And that'll also be a nice cheap price point for you if you want to send out samples to affiliates to share in their videos. So when you get affiliates, basically, you are going to send them a sample for free. They're going to make a video that links directly to your product. The video is going to generate sales. More affiliates are going to see other creators representing your products. More affiliates are going to want to join, get the product for free, and share it in their content. And it just spirals out to more and more videos and more sales. So no ad spend required to get started, but if you're going to use affiliates, you are going to have the cost of sending the item to the affiliate. And the other option is to demo the t-shirts yourself like this. Have your account where you're just wearing all of the t-shirts and getting sales started yourself. And if you check out this account, you can see that their videos aren't too elaborate, but they're making a ton of sales, and t-shirt demo videos are very, very simple. And then once you're inside of your TikTok account, this is where you can see the affiliates. So you can bulk invite affiliates right from this tab, or you can reach out to creators yourself. You can find creators through the For You page and simply send them a message and invite them to get a free t-shirt from you. So here's an example of a type of a message that you could send to creators on TikTok. Just, hey, whatever their name is, I just saw your video about whatever the topic was on your For You page, and I thought you would be perfect for a t-shirt that we just launched. Introduce your name, what your shop is. If you've already had, say, a shop on Etsy and you're moving it over to TikTok Shop, let them know that, and tell them that you're sending out product samples and offering 20% commissions to affiliates who want to test it out. Let them know you thought they'd be a great fit, and to just message you back yes if they want to get on board, and then they can request their sample and you'll get it sent out to them right away. Very simple message. You can mass send this out to tons of creators on TikTok that are proven to have great content and making affiliate sales. And then once you actually have creators generating sales for you, this is when it can go to the next level very, very quickly, because TikTok has something called GMV Max ads, which their AI is so amazing. Instead of, for example, if you go on Facebook to run an ad, you have to make your own ad, test your ad. Facebook has so much complexities involved when it comes to creating the right types of creatives. But on TikTok says, we already know who is buying this. We already see the winning videos from the creators. GMV Max is going to allow TikTok to automatically push the winning videos from those creators in order to get more buyers like the ones that you've already generated. You already sort of have a proven ecosystem for the TikTok ads with their AI, and it is going to be able to optimize for profitable ads. So you can set a daily budget for $50 a day, set the target ROI to 5 times, and hit publish, right? That's just how simple the GMV Max ads are once you've already started generating some sales with creators. If you want to get a running start on TikTok Shop now and be set up for Q4, right? We are about to head into the most profitable time of the year for e-commerce sellers, and that is leading into when kids go back to school, and then we have Halloween, we have Thanksgiving, Black Friday, and Christmas. This is the boom time. People often make more in Q4 than they do the entire year. So you are right on time right now to get your shop set up and take advantage of this window. So this coming week, I encourage you to open up your TikTok Shop, connect your Printify, and upload some products. And then the following week, you can start requesting some affiliates. As they get those videos out there, creating and converting, you can see which videos are making sales. You can turn on those ads and be all set and ready to go to crush it this Q4. So with TikTok, people think they need 100,000 followers. They need to dance, they need to go viral, they need expensive inventory. But the reality is you need simple designs to create great products with Printify. You need a handful of creators. You need to be consistent and patient, right? That is what it takes in order to make TikTok work. So if you want to research what is working on TikTok Shop, you can simply go to the TikTok Shop tab, and it pulls up a search just like on Etsy, right? You can search through different shop terms. So let's say we type in Christian shirt. I'm using that as an example because a lot of my students are in this particular niche, and you can just see what is selling. Like this shirt has sold 5,400 times. This one has sold 279 times, and you can get a feel for what people are actually buying. And so if you want to know what would actually make a winning shirt design, you can see what is already proven to sell on Etsy and bring it over to TikTok Shop. Or you can search TikTok, and if there is a listing with 1,000 sales on TikTok Shop, that means it has demand. And if it has less than 50 to 100 reviews, that means it is a brand new listing. So that would be a good option for a product that you could actually model. Remember, we never copy, we use as inspiration. We take winning elements of what is working and create our own version. Now let's make sure that you avoid these common mistakes. Trying to do everything yourself, right? We can outsource some things here. Only uploading products, never contacting affiliates, right? The affiliates on TikTok Shop is going to be an essential piece, or just listing products for a week and then giving up because nothing happens, right? This is going to take a little bit of work to get some listings up, to start generating some sales, and then we can go into all of the additional things to grow business. Or thinking it's too late because now you're actually early, right? There's no excuses here. Those who put in the work now will reap the rewards. And then not reinvesting profits into the ads, right? All businesses at some point are going to take some investment in order to grow. So you should go into it with that mindset. But the good news is with print on demand, you can get started without investing in inventory, right? When you make a sale, you are going to have to pay for that product from Printify to ship it to the customer. So you will need a credit card or something on hand in order to do that, but you will already be in profit from the item that you sold. And then eventually you can start taking those profits and reinvesting it. And as with any business that you do, you need to know your numbers. You need to know the cost of goods through Printify. You need to understand TikTok's fees. You also need to account for affiliate commissions. And if you're outsourcing this to anybody, their cuts, like I'm personally working with someone on Fiverr to help run my store for me. And I will actually link his contact details down below in the description if you're also interested in outsourcing some of this too. So like a lot of you guys, I am focused on other platforms. I'm running multiple things in my business. I really don't have time to juggle a gazillion things, right? I could spend 6 months learning every single little setting here, or I could have someone do it for me quickly who's already been managing multiple successful shops, right? I want this to be a simple way for you to expand your business. And that's why I'm going to leave all of my best resources for you down below to help you get started with this as quickly as possible. So is TikTok Shop right for you? Are you a US resident? Do you already have print on demand products, or are you willing to get some up and going? Do you want another sales channel, or do you want to start one? Can you invest some time and some money, right? So this is going to be best if you have $500 to $5,000 for scaling with ads. Once you've validated the products, once you've started generating some revenue, right? You're willing to reinvest in your business, and you also maybe want to consider what it would cost to send 100 free t-shirts to affiliates, right? To get your product and your brand out there with creators demoing your products. So that is who this would be best for. If you don't have a huge budget right now, just take into account everything that I mentioned in this video and what it will take to get this going if you don't have a budget. So I really want to encourage you to capitalize on this next year time frame for getting your shop up and going on TikTok. So you can go out there, you can get all of those affiliates yourself. You can use the same guy from Fiverr that I'm using. You can get a free consultation with him and get some help to get going. Either way, you could be selling on TikTok Shop much faster than you thought possible when you're using Printify. The main goal here is affiliates, 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 right? Get those products listed, reach out to 100 affiliates, and you could be off rocking and rolling and getting sales in no time. So I hope you're excited about this. I will leave the direct link for how you actually sign up to TikTok Shop below this video. It's a separate sign up from just the TikTok creator side. And I'm going to also leave for you my Printify sign up link, as well as the person that I'm working with on Fiverr to get my shop going. I am so excited for you. I look forward to your success on TikTok Shop. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask those down below, and I will see you in the next video.